right. Everybody smile. Like, nuts. How did he get so much energy? I drank 3 monsters, a cup of coffee, and ate a piece of bread.
That'll do it.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of the Webster flea market one more time. This time we visit Relics from the Attic, who you may have seen in Commonwealth Pickers or American Arbitrage's videos. Very enigmatic man.
Yeah, if you guys want to watch the first part of the Webster flea market video, we'll link it here. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh. This one's wet.
One's rougher.
It's wet. It's on the bottom.
You know how much
those are cool.
are.
Yeah, we should. So look. These are the ones I picked. That's cool. I love these.
That's the kid's name and Sharpie on the back.
No. Cool. Wow.
Yeah.
I just want to know.
Well, yeah, I was a bigger Kirby fan.
I love Kirby so much. Look at the kids.
Pow.
Pow. I love it. That's amazing.
That's what we have to $10, $12.
These are, hold on, I'm looking, but bro, he's totally the guy from from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
What?
He's the guy from Brooklyn Nine-Nine for sure. What's that actor's name? That he's super loud in Parks and Rec? And he just plays the loud guy, the park ranger. You know what I'm talking about? That's who that guy reminds me of. The guy that's uncomfortably loud all the time.
Yeah. I think
it's all his. It's all his?
I think so.
That's crazy. He'll probably give us a good deal if we get a bunch of shit. Yeah, no worries. Deals for real. For real.
Deals for real. Step right up. On that side, stuff on the table. And if you like stuff in sheds, keep your head inside. I don't care. Whatever's inside is for sale too. We sell it all. Need my shoes? You want my shoes? They're for sale too. Don't care. Who's out there? Sell it all. That's right. Everybody smile. Like, nuts. How did he get so much energy? I drank 3 monsters, a cup of coffee, and ate a piece of bread.
That'll do it.
Yeah. Consistently tipped.
Okay.
There's some that go for 15.
This doesn't look like.
Look around. Deals for real. Well, I was little by little programming everybody for my things, and then it's gonna be like a flash dance, flash ball.
Okay. Oh, because this is
This
from...
is fabulous too. This is a golf hat. Just wash
Yeah,
it.
it's a little...
I know, just wash it.
Okay, yeah, brother.
Real deals for real. Deals for real. Oh, you're hired. I need a break. You're hired. You're hired. Oh my God. Look around. I make package deals. Step right up. Follow my page on social media. Relics with the egg. Follow our page. We're about to start filming a YouTube show here. It's gonna be wild. What up, man? Yo, what's up? I see your finger up. That actually worked. You use your Jedi mind powers on me. It was like, whoa, dude. You're just oh, you take the money. I don't want no problem. No, you just.
That's exactly it. Here.
What do you got? Yeah, $3. Yeah, $3 a little. You were here earlier. Yeah. I remember. Look around, deals for real. We make the deals. You never know what we're gonna have, folks. We sell a little bit of vintage, we sell a little bit of this, we sell a little bit of antique. What I don't do is shut up. I promise, I don't shut up. You're talking about people way over there? They should hustle.
Look at. All right.
You don't find
I'm
one?
gonna go get yelled at.
I'll try to put one on the truck.
All right, we're ready.
Hey, we're here for the package deal.
All right. So I'll give you, look. What kind of deal should you give them? I don't know.
A good one.
A good one? That's crazy. That's right. You've never been with a girl, I know. He's like, damn you, Anthony.
All right,
Crazy.
so...
All right, so look, I'm gonna give you the bottom dollar.
Okay.
That's it, just right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
30 bucks, even.
30?
It's a good deal, bro.
That's great.
We'll
Dude,
take
dude,
it.
it's a deal.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is. It is.
Yeah, I know you shopped a long time in this.
Yeah, we did.
You gotta like my page, all right?
Oh, I just did actually. I heard you screaming it out. I got you,
I
man.
like it. Thank you. I love
You're
you guys.
welcome.
Thank you. Relics from the attic. Awesome. Look around, folks.
The money. This is cool. Look at the hat. That's
cool.
All these games.
Cool.
Games. Star Wars, Starfighter, Xbox,
Nice on the other cover.
PS2. Got a good selection here. How you doing? Good, how are
How
you?
you doing?
Thank you.
What do you got on the games?
It depends which one.
Okay.
Guitar Heroes. Look, they're all.
So that was the last stop of the day. We went to a lot of stalls, and I don't think we even saw the half of it all. That just goes to show you how big this flea market is. And here you see us, we're walking back to the center of the market for some food, because it's been a long day. We were on the complete opposite end of it, and it still took us a while to get back. And we just want to say, like, we had so much fun here at the Webster Flea Market, and we're really looking forward to coming back here soon and scoring some more deals. Hot dogs and stuff, sausage.
This is where we started.
Yeah, let's just get a burger.
I did that too.
Cheers.
This is good.
Yeah, I figured this would be smarter than stopping.
Yeah, no.
Hey, I don't mean to interrupt y'all, but, and this is crazy, but I have not double dipped or touched these, and I'm going to throw them away. I hate to just throw them away. Are you?
You want nachos?
Sure.
I
No,
swear, I
thank
have
you
not
so
double
much.
dipped. I have not.
Appreciate
I didn't know
that.
I'd get that. That thing was all the way across.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Waste food like that.
I
Yeah.
totally
I didn't know that.
understand.
I said, look at you half order. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
No, thank
Have
you.
a good one. Another successful sourcing adventure at the Webster Flea Market. If you enjoyed the hunt as much as we did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more flipping adventures, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a score.
Thanks for watching.